If you are in class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th, this summer can actually change your future if you use it smartly. Most students waste their summer by just playing games. Instead of staying at home, you can actually spend a few days on a real college campus. Try new subjects, build skills and figure out what you actually want to do in life. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best offline summer programs in India for 2026 with details like duration, fees and why each one is worth it. And before we start, comment Summer 2026, I will send you the application link. Starting with the most popular one, the Symbiosis Summer School in Pune. This program is perfect if you want to explore multiple fields. It covers management, law, engineering, media, liberal arts, IT and more with super interactive sessions while you live on campus. You will get a real taste of university life and a clarity on what you might want to study in future. It has duration of 13 days and will be conducted in 2 editions between May and June. Admissions are on rolling basis, so apply early. Second, Ashoka University's Horizon Achievers Program. This is for the students who want to explore subjects like psychology, computer science, economics, business and entrepreneurship and their unique Atlas program. It will be conducted in 2 editions between May and July. Here, fees is around 25,000 plus taxes and admissions are on rolling basis. Next, for all tech enthusiasts, SP Gen Global Summer Tech School in Mumbai. This is a beginner-friendly program focused on AI, innovation, coding and future tech careers and more. You will get hands-on experience on projects and practical exposure. Its fees is 20,000 plus taxes. You will walk away with valuable skills and a certificate from a reputed B school. Fourth, Hogue and Masters Union Summer School in Goa. This 5-day exciting program focuses on leadership, entrepreneurship and real-world learnings by simulations, activities and even a Shark Tank style pitch at the end. Here, fees is 68,000 plus taxes including accommodation and meals. Last but definitely not the least, Flame University Summer Immersion Program in Pune. This one has exciting tracks in computer science, AI, rising of machines, design, liberal education and more. You will get hands-on learning in a stunning campus environment. Here fees is 50,000, accommodation and meals are included. For these programs, there are no official deadlines. Admissions are on the rolling basis, so apply early. In the end, all these programs are great options. It simply comes down to what you want to learn and experience. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more career and education content and share it with your friends who are planning their summer too. Comment if you have any queries about these summer programs. I will see you in the next video.